belong to me.
No matter where you roll, you gotta take it.
I put my foot in this game. There's no way you could deny me. If success was to come, I wouldn't let it pass by me. I work too hard, eliminated bumps in the process, and dig a deep ditch for those who wanna try me. Don't take it the wrong way. I respect good material.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Lobo. I'm back with another video, and in this video, I'm gonna do my build. If you guys seen my unboxing, it was from, let me adjust the camera for a minute. It was at LA Capa. I'm building the Miles Morales. So I'm using a poison slide that I had built by Capa Customs. It's right here. Boy, Alex built this one for me. I had this for a while, been sitting on it. You know, I use it here and there in another build just to test it out, but I love this one. Thanks, Alex. So what I got here is the frame from LA Capa. Great frame. You know what I mean? So we're gonna be putting this on. Finally building my Miles Morales. And shout out to my boy Dylan, because he made this custom grip wrap for me. He went crazy on that. Thanks, bro. So it was on the YouTube channel. Put a post out for the community, and people thumbs up saying they want to see me put this together. So I'm gonna put it together. So I'm taking a few stuff off this 5.1, you know, just like the mag catch, a few things internal. With the LA Capa frame, it comes with the first batch, from at least what I know, it's gonna come with its own firing pin and sear and some screws to use. Don't use the stock one. So I got that. I do have some AIP springs. So instead of using the stock one, I'm gonna use the AIP springs. You know, made by Better Metal. I had them laying around. Got to put that in there in a new build. Thinking of everything else, you know. So yeah, let's start it. I am not gonna go in full detail on how to like disassemble the lower and stuff like that. So you may see it fast forward a little bit. If you guys ever want to see more of a breakdown video on how I do things, just let me know. Put it in the comments. I will do it. But this one for sure, I'm gonna go pretty fast around doing some stuff. So yeah, let's get started.
Alright guys, so let's start. Let's move this stuff out to the side. Start with this right. Put this to the side. And with this, I'm gonna only use some parts. So gonna use the safety. It's a spring in here, so if you ever take these out, you know how if you lose it, it's gonna be a pain to find. So I always face them down, just in case. See how it popped out? I'm definitely gonna be using this for this build. So this is one of the screws that they give you and tell you not to use on their frame, so put that to the side. You can use that on later, but the spring I'm going to be using that goes to that, and there's another piece. Boom. So I need this. So that's one thing, and I am going to need this. Put this stuff to the side. I have a black hammer that I'm going to use. It'll look a little bit better than the silver. So adjust my GoPro. I didn't even need to take this off. Put this to the side. I had to get a paper towel for the blue lock nut. Loctite, because I want to Loctite the screws once I put them in. So first thing we're gonna do is, let me grab this. I'm gonna get AIP spring side. Hands is always a different spot. Putting this in. I'm gonna use this.
Screaming, damn, that hurts. Like DJ Payne's signature, so I'ma add with a verse. Verses with adversity, coming up from the dirt. And take pride to be alive, but still avoiding the hurts. A big accomplishment. Seen so many faces on shirts, and memory of through the complications on earth. And I ain't here to preach, I'm just here reminding the streets. On this hell on earth, it's easy for the devil to meet. So if the time comes, I'ma be prepared for the greed. Cause Lord knows there's not too many built like me. Word. Yeah.
There you go. Boom. Now, to get the screws they supplied. This little screw they supply is like to adjust the hop up on top of the frame. It's really small. I'm just gonna put that back in for right there. This one. Take this. And all this needs a little dab.
Okay. Put the wrong one. Man, I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
Yo, there's nothing like that love you get from loved ones, but even loved ones tend to forget where we come from. Stay ahead of the game to advance for dumb. You talking money? Conversate by handing the lump sum, but don't get it twisted. Jay Rizzy ain't for the sellout, cause for this money, I seen friends switch and start to bail out and be the ones you care about, to be the first to take you out. It goes from helping handing out to resulting the cannons out. Damn, how can someone you consider fam make a transition to be in position for cash in hand?
Alright, now that I got that back in, put this aside for right now. Get to this. So, taking the sock, valve knocker, slip that in right there. This is sear that they brought into the package.
People you know, and put the op, the same ones that used to preach like we all we got. Looking back at it now,
that's
like we all we not. Must have been a case of amnesia, how quick they forgot.
There's a screw that they came with. Put some Loctite on it. Now this is medium Loctite, so it's gonna secure, but if you ever take it off, like hand pressure will make it come off. So before I can get the lower grip installed, I need to take this off to put it on there. Boom. Now the trigger's in. It's coming together. So I'm not gonna put blue Loctite yet on this, just in case I have to take it apart it again. But everything works good right off the box, right off the back, I should say. Won't be. I'll come back in and Loctite it.
Alright, y'all, my GoPro died, so turning into another camera, so we're not gonna get the overhead view, but we're almost done here. So like I was saying about this here, gotta get it sitting like that. know. But by far, I'm not the best tech in the world. I'm good tech. You know what I mean? I'm just being modest. But if I'm doing anything wrong or people think it's easy way, just let me know. Drop it in the comments. People are always going to have comments, but some of them are good. Just want to get this hammer back up again. This grip came with a red backing for the hammer spring. I think too much is going to clash, so what I'm going to do is going to put a black one on there to kind of help it out. Get that two-tone with the black look. So lines up the line. Don't like that. What's going on? I think there's gonna be some modifications. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause this for a second so I can figure out what's going on. Alright, I'm back. So, it has been a minute since I started the build. As you can tell, the hammer wasn't engaging. Had to, you know, figure out some situations. I actually contacted LA Capa, and they did a great job helping me out. You know, sending footage back and forth, trying to figure out the situation and try to help me out. Send me new parts to help me out with it. So I'll give them that. Thank you. The bright side, get it to work. So let me show you. Miles Morales. I love the way it looks. Love the way it came out. I love the build. Finally got to finish my build. I'm gonna show some footage here and there of me shooting at backyard traces. Unfortunately, I have no gameplay footage because when I first was doing this video, I was gonna go practice for that weekend. I was gonna use it, show some gameplay, see how it works out. Unfortunately, I haven't played since. Holidays are coming up. I'm a father of 3. I'm busy. So this was a headache though. I'm not gonna lie. I can't lie about it. And disappointed in many ways. One of the things that I am disappointed, I'm gonna tell you the cons first. I wish this frame was a little bit more plug and play, like the AM frames. Just the hassle of trying to figure out what is not working. And as you notice, the grips are different, the grip color. I had to go switch from the red to the black because the red one wasn't working on it. So I switched that out, but I do love the look and how this one looks better with the black. I hope y'all agree, I do like it with the black look. I just, you know, the only con, you know, I wish it was more plug and play. That's the only thing. You know, on that note, you know, LA Capa did say the second batch they're doing, it's going to make more adjustments so it could be more plug and play. So hopefully that works out for them. The positives on it, it's light. I love the 3-piece set. You know, LA Capa stuff. Their colors match perfectly. Like the 3-piece set, taking it out like the stock frame. I like that, you know, compared to the AM frame. I love the full rails on it. The adjustment, little screw for a hop up. I love that. I just wish it was more plug and play. For the time, you know, the pre-order and everything went in, I just wish it was more plug and play, you know, honestly. One other con on there, you know, I asked LA Capa, their safety doesn't work, unfortunately, on this. It's just on here, so it won't trigger up the safety, it won't go down. When you take it apart, you gotta push the sealer inside up to release it. You know, that's a pain. I like to clean my guns after every use, so. But, you know, I do like the way it looks. As you've seen, you know, it shoots pretty well. You know, that worked it in a little bit. You know, love the poison slide on it. I like it, you know, so see how it performs in like a tournament or, you know, open play, things like that. But it's just the Miles Morales. Love it. Thank you, Dylan, for the grip. If anybody wants a pistol grip, hit up I am Dylan on Instagram on things. So with that being said, Lobo out.